The question is to find the limit. This is the limit as x approaches -2, right? So if we substitute -2 for x, then this expression will be equal to 0 over 0 in determinant form, right? Then what we have to do is that if we have a square root, we have to rationalize this expression. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator, square root x plus 3, since this is minus, plus 1. Square root x plus 3 plus 1, right? Then this is equal to limit as x approaches -2. Numerator will be x plus 3 minus 1 squared, so minus 1. Denominator, if we factor this, that's x minus 2, x plus 2 times all of this expression, square root x plus 3 plus 1, right? So this is equal to limit as x approaches -2. Here, numerator x plus 3 minus 1, so x plus 2. Denominator x minus 2, x plus 2, square root x plus 3 plus 1, right? This x plus 3 cancels out. Now what we have to do is we substitute -2 for x. So this limit is equal to 1 over -2 minus 2, so minus 4 times, here square root of 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1, 2, right? So that is equal to -1 over 8. That's our answer, right? For this limit right here, if we substitute 0 for x, that also going to be equal to 0 over 0, right? So what we have to do is we have to rationalize this expression. So we multiply 1 plus square root x plus 1, 1 plus square root x plus 1, right? Then this limit is equal to limit as x approaches 0, x times 1 plus square root of x plus 1, 1 minus x plus 1, right? This is equal to limit as x approaches 0, denominator is equal to -x, numerator x times 1 plus square root of x plus 1, right? Now cancel the factor x and substitute 0 for x. So that is equal to, we have a -1 in denominator, numerator 1 plus square root 0 plus 1. So 2 over -1 is equal to -2, right?